Hi friends, welcome back to this videos. In this videos, we are discuss about Oppo A51 2024 price, space, release date, and camera test more and more. So let's get started. We are going to share our new upcoming smartphone of the Oppo brand, whose name is Oppo A51 2024. Those who use mobile phone in life, that person must know that Oppo is the most popular and favorite mobile company in the world. First of all, we have to discuss Oppo A51 2024 full specifications. First, we are talking about displays. The Oppo upcoming smartphone A51 2024 comes with a 6.9 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The good news for the Oppo A51 2024 mobile lovers, this mobile uses display resolutions of 1440 multiplied by 3200 pixels. In this display section, this mobile phone also used always on display, which is very helpful for an active users of this special phone, whose name is the camera. On the camera section, Oppo added a quad 64 megapixel primary lens plus 332 megapixels ultra wide lens plus 16 megapixels wide sensors plus 5 megapixels depth sensors as a back camera. For selfie, it has a double 32 megapixels plus 24 megapixels camera. Regular camera features like ZZ's optic LED flash, Pronma and HDR added. Now you can easily pick up pictures or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is very important part of a good smartphones. So the Oppo A51 2024 used a 6300 mAh polymer type non-removable battery for its long time service. After charging one time, you don't need to charge for at least 13 hours. The fast battery charging is a very common special feature for a flagship device. So this phone includes 33-watt quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphones, they are first checking the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM internal storage and an extra micro SD card. The Oppo upcoming phone A51 2024 comes with 8GB RAM and two variants, 128GB plus 256GB ROM. Customer can easily exacerbate internal storage by using a micro SD card up to 1TB. In the operating system section, this phone added Android 12, the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon's 8 Gen 1 mobile platforms make this smartphone very fast. This Oppo smartphone uses GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of a good smartphone. So Oppo upcoming mobile uses the latest sensor technology and name is fingerprint under display sections. Now we have to discuss Oppo A51 2024 release date. After knowing the viral news of an Oppo flagship smartphone, every people who love Oppo mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Oppo A51 2024. But we are sorry to inform you that there is no official release date available for this smartphone. The exact release date of the Oppo A51 2024 is 29 August 2024, or it may be too late to release for the features update or company issues. Now we have to discuss the Oppo A51 2024 price. The official Oppo A51 2024 GSS, the price is not available for this upcoming smartphone. In this video, you will find the Oppo A51 2024 price in India, USA, UK, Australia, UAE, Europe country info. The Oppo A51 2024 price will be started from the 299 USDT to 285 euro. I hope you have completely understand all the features like a Oppo A51 2024 price, space, features, design, concept, rumors, reviews, pre-order, by online release date, and news content. If you have any kind of questions, the Oppo upcoming flagship device A51 2024. I hope you like the videos. If you have any kind of questions, so tell us in the comment section. I want to see you in the next videos. Thanks for watching.